we'll go.
Another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're drop testing the Samsung Convoy. I think it's the 3. It does work and everything, so let's go and do a drop test. Head height on the back in 3, 2, 1. From the backdrop, it looks like a couple nicks on top and the bottom right here. Phone is still on. We're going to turn the flashlight on. So that way we can tell if it shuts off or not. Well, maybe. Well, maybe the flashlight don't... Oh, there it is. Yeah, okay, it's on. Okay, that was weird. Okay, flashlight's on. Let's go ahead and do the side drop. In 3, 2, 1. But the phone is still on. It's going to lock the back cover. Screen is still working. Looks like it hit right here, maybe on this edge, and back bounced over to the other end. Let's go ahead and do the face down drop in 3, 2, 1. Phone is still on. Nothing too bad. I don't think this thing would beat the Casio that we drop tested. Let's go and do the open face down in 3, 2, 1. Was a beast of a phone. Actually, we put it in the freezer at one time and it still survived. Pretty decent shape still. Nothing's coming apart. I think I drop tested one of the Convoys and like it kept trying to come apart or something. Phone still works. Flashlight is on. Let's go ahead and do the throw test. Actually bumped the volume button. So here we go. There you go. Flashlight's on in 3, 2, 1. Oh, look, the battery didn't come out of that one. That's pretty cool. Ooh, I see the covers coming off the front screen now. Right there. Woo! Phone looks to have turned off, but turns back on. Oh my, look at this damage, guys. Yeah, I'll say this thing doesn't feel as durable as the Casio does. Let's kind of clip it all back together. I said we do another one because it still works. That barely killed it almost, it looked like. So yeah, I guess it's back together. Let's go ahead and unlock this front screen, turn the flashlight on, and go for it again. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Even higher this time. Woo! That landed straight on the back as well. Oh yeah, open the port from the impact. Oh, what? Oh, it's all coming apart right there. Yeah, this thing is not as durable as the Casio Ravine. We'll probably do one more throw because eventually it's just going to fall apart after this next throw, I think, because this isn't even clipping back into place no more. Oh, the front LCD is now gone, as you can tell. The inside LCD still works. So here we go again, the last throw drop. In 3, 2, 1. And this one's gonna fall apart. Yep. And that was a lot of parts. So here we got the battery, which looks good. So we'll put that in our pocket. The back cover still stayed on, kind of popped out, but here's the whole inside housing of the back cover. Here we got the motherboard just chilling, and the and the main phone, which here's one of the buttons. Put that in the pocket. I think we lost our volume buttons, if I'm guessing. Oh no, they're still there. So yeah, we'll go and take this, and maybe I can put it back at home and see if it works. But as of right now, I figured that was gonna come apart. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.